All right, Jason, so it's Friday. We're looking forward to a pretty nice weekend, kind of indicate some signs of spring almost in terms of sunshine.
Sunday. Saturday is more of a cloudy, breezy, not all that warm. And then after that, the elephant in the room is, well, next week.
I was trying to focus on the positive, but hey, you know what? It's good news for the cross-country skiing trails.
Yeah.
So we're going to rely on that snow to keep people out and extend that season, make up for what they didn't have
It'll
earlier.
help with the spring season.
Nice.
Yeah, with the spring snow season.
We'll take that. Yeah,
for some of us.
Thanks for saving me, Jason.
I'm your guy. Never leave your wingman. How about just where a nor'easter is? It's a storm. Winds to the northeast. Very simple. It could be rain or snow or both, though, and strong gusty winds also could be. Let's talk about next week's storm. Here's what I know. It's a 2-day event. High precipitation potential, snow, rain, wind, etc. And what I don't know is the exact storm track, the specific start and end time, and the rain and snow line. Where's that set up? Is that Route 1? Is that 95? Wait to find out about that very soon. Probably this weekend I'll get that ironed out. Dry weekend, storm misses us south. Nor'easter next week with travel issues, heavy snow, wind, and coastal flooding all coming our way early next week to the middle of next week. But right now it's quiet. Step out for dinner, walk the dog. 45 Wiscasset here in early to mid-March. We'll take it. Satellite and radar, nice and clear too. No precipitation at all. It is as clear as it can get for the state. However, there is snow knocking on the door here, moving up into New York, but it's not going to make it here, okay? So in the hour-by-hour forecast tonight, watch here. Temperatures 30s and 40s. We do cloud up tonight. That'll mean it doesn't get as cold. Just a few flurries down around Sanford, but that storm stays south, so we don't get there. For the weekend, cloudy Saturday, not the greatest day, but it's not a nor'easter, so we'll take it. Sunday, it's 40, mostly sunny. Looks pretty good, really, all things considered. Here's the storm Tuesday morning, Monday night, wrapping up here south of New York City and moving inland a bit here, right over Cape Cod as we get to the day on Tuesday. It's trending for more of a southerly track, which pulls more cold air down from the north. And here's a look at the very early look, Monday night into Wednesday. The jackpot double-digit potential is away from the coast with this storm. Snow and rain at the coast, a mixture could get as high as 6 or as little as 3, and then all snow potential in the white outside of that jackpot. Storm impacts Monday night to Wednesday. Very high for travel. Power outages, I put those as high too, and coastal flooding in the moderate range here, where you're seeing this depending on how close the storm gets to us and what it looks like for the high seas. Here's what you need to know. Nor'easter is Monday into Wednesday, but it's very late. It's more like midnight Monday to Tuesday. Heavy wet snow, changing to rain at the coast, and a power outage threat for the wind. Plus, you have the high seas on top of that. So there's a lot going on here. I've got a special blog on newscentermaine.com, also on my Facebook page, so you can read more in depth where I have more time to break down the forecast. And another one coming tomorrow morning, 8 o'clock, with some new information. Seas at 3 to 5 feet, wind northeast, not from a nor'easter. That's not till next week. We have this weekend, which is, sure, it's cloudy tomorrow. We'll see some sun. We'll try and get a sunset out of it. And then really nice Sunday by March standards before the storm gets in, once again, Monday night around midnight. So really not a Monday situation. Tuesday to Wednesday, then we clear up. At the coast, you want to spring forward. Don't forget that. We'll get a nice little more sunshine in the afternoon Sunday because of that, although the clouds do roll in quickly. And then the nor'easter main event is Tuesday, and it could linger to Wednesday depending on how this storm evolves. All weekend long, you have meteorologist Aaron Myler and myself will be here tracking the storm for you.
Awesome. Thanks, Jason.